In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Amazon Prime on mobile. We'll walk through installing the right app, opening it, finding the sign-in screen, entering your credentials, completing two-step verification if it pops up, and then accessing your Prime benefits. First, install the app. On Android, open the Google Play Store. On iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. You have two choices: the Amazon app, which handles shopping and your Prime membership, or the Prime Video app, which is dedicated to movies and series. Both accept your Amazon account login. If you mainly want to watch shows, many people prefer signing in directly through the Prime Video app. Before you tap install, double check that the publisher is Amazon Mobile LLC or Amazon.com Inc. to avoid lookalikes. Make sure you have a steady internet connection and enough storage, and let the download finish completely. Next, open the app you installed. Give it a moment on the first launch. It may load some initial content or ask for permissions like notifications. You can choose later if you want alerts about orders or new releases. When the app opens, you'll usually see a sign in or login option right away. If you don't, look for the menu button, the three horizontal lines, or a profile icon in the corner, then tap Sign In. This takes you to the secure login screen. Enter the email address or mobile number linked to your Amazon Prime account, then your password. Take a second to check for typos. If there's an eye icon, you can briefly show the password to confirm it's correct. If you're on a shared device, avoid saving the password or enabling autofill. When you're ready, tap Sign In or Log In. If two-step verification is enabled on your account, Amazon will send a one-time code to your phone, email, or authenticator app. Stay on the screen, retrieve the code, and enter it promptly. These codes expire. If you don't see it, wait a moment, check your spam or junk folder, or request a new code. Make sure the device has a reliable signal so you receive it quickly. Once you're in, your Prime benefits are active. In the Amazon app, you can shop and enjoy Prime perks like fast delivery and exclusive deals. In the Prime Video app, you can browse, search, and start watching shows and movies. You may be prompted to set up profiles, parental controls, or download quality. Those are optional and can be adjusted later. If you're using a shared device, remember to sign out when you're done and manage your devices in your account settings for extra security.